Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can link your Sonos Era 300 speaker with other devices via Bluetooth. And to do this, first of all, we have to power on our speaker, and then we have to use this button, click and hold it, and release when you hear that this sound notification, and also when this indicator on the front starts blinking on blue. And next, all we have to do is to grab our device. In my case, I'm gonna use the iPhone XR. We have to open the settings, go to the Bluetooth, and then from the devices list, we have to select our bedroom Sonos Era speaker. That's some kind of the custom name set up for my Era 300, but yeah, that's basically how we can do this. And right now you can just use this speaker as a Bluetooth speaker. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.